Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about 1 over s. Now, because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So the square root that is about u. The s over s that is about this one. So I will put the negative in here. So u and u, we have u square. The integration of u square, we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.